Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is the I Love Happy Mail Lollipop Box Club kit. This is the new kit for this month and this is what it looks like when you open it. I am the creator and owner of Lollipop Box Club. This is your first glimpse of this kit this month, so I won't be opening everything. The kits are being made right now, ready to be packed and shipped next week. So I don't want to give all the secrets away. This is just a little glimpse to show you what's coming. So I won't be revealing any of the secrets. When you open the kit, you've got a letter and you've got one of our exclusive postcards. Most of the items in this kit are now exclusive to us. So let's open up. We redesigned the kits last month, so this is the new look of the kits. There's always a little bit of tissue confetti inside, and that's the kit as you open it. We've got handmade clips. Andy from Andy's Accessories makes all the beautiful felt and fabric bits and pieces for the kits, and I then turn them into various things. This month it's a planner clip. This is actually a working envelope that you can use and pop other things inside. Just think they're so cute. I'm so happy with those. We've got a mystery gift which I never reveal. That's for you to find out what it is. I'm collaborating with Bramble Fox this month and we have the cutest Happy Mail flare. There's a bag of treats and I'm going to hide. There's an extra bag underneath. You've told me that the treat bags are your favorites. Many of you have said that, so there's an extra bag this month which I'm hiding, so it's a surprise for you. We've got an exclusive I Love Happy Mail pen. That's a black biro pen for you to write with. An exclusive Happy Mail stamp. Isn't that adorable? I just love the stamps that Emily from Skull and Crossbones makes. Really cute. We've got a 2-for-1 stencil here. I have used this one actually on one of my projects, so it's a little bit black in places. But this is, you've got your background stencil, your triangles, and you've got the word happy. I've been using this on my projects this month. Do check out the blog and YouTube channel as there's always lots of ways for you to use your kit. We've got a heart-shaped lollipop this month. We have stickers from Beautiful Planning. I am so happy with these. Aren't these adorable? They are so cute. I just love these colors as well. Really, really happy with these. We have a DIY kit or a bit of a challenge this month for you, something a little bit different. And we've also got the kit papers in the bottom of the kit. I will show you these. We have introduced this year new and exclusive papers to the kit. Lovely quality papers for you to use, whether it be on your craft projects, scrapbooking, journals, Happy Mail, in your planners. Use them however you wish. There's also an exclusive postcard here. I like to cut mine out, use them as embellishments. And you've also got a weekly checklist here, which I've been using and thoroughly enjoying. I do love a list. These do come, the lists do come as printables. So if you're a subscriber, you will get them for free. And we've also got calendar printables, weekly list printables as well, not just these. These are all in your pack at the bottom there. And if you are a subscriber, there will also be a code in your kit to download for free. There's lots and lots here. I haven't shown you everything, but it gives you a nice feel of what's to come. Please do join our chat group. We've got the friendliest little group. It's a private group, so only people within the kit will see. Lots of people share what they've been making with the kit, so it's a great place for you to get more inspiration, not just from the blog here and the YouTube channel, but from other subscribers as well. And if you do want to share yourself, you can do that. I will leave a link below and you are more than welcome to come and join us. And this month we are doing a Happy Mail swap. You will be teamed up with a pen friend to do a swap. It's really fun. Lots of people are wanting to join in, so please come and join us. The link is below. We would love to see you there. I hope you've enjoyed this kit. They are due to be sent on the 17th of this month and they will be with you just a couple of days later. Thank you very much for joining me today and I will see you very soon. Bye.